everybody, Thomas Vanderkin from the Vanderkinverse, back again with another unboxing video. This time it's the ThinkSmart View. Okay, I'm going to open this thing up, talk about it a little bit. Lenovo ThinkSmart View, it's part of our smart office products. This one is super hot right now. So what it is a Microsoft Teams device, but it's a personal one to keep at your desk to run Microsoft Teams on to free up your PC for other activities. So we're going to open this up, try and get it all set up. I think one of the things I really liked about this when I saw the pre-GA version and the one that I saw at CES was the ease of setup. So we're going to try that now. You guys can see what the packaging looks like with me. Open this up. Okay, here it is on top. Coming out. ThinkSmart View like this. We got the power in here. Foam packaging, and that's it. So good looking box. We'll put that off to the side for now. A little bit of paper in here. Let's go ahead and open this up and see how quickly we can get this set up. So one thing I've really liked about this, not only does it do the meetings, have a camera and audio built into it, but also it has the ability to hook up Bluetooth headphones to it. So when we do get back to the office, we can have our headphones on. You can even come packaged with our X1 ANC headphones. It can be both in landscape mode and portrait mode like this. It's got a Think shutter here on the side to turn the camera manually on and off if you don't want that on, which is always a great feature in a lot of our products now. Then on top we've got a mute button and the volume buttons, and that's it. Pretty straightforward device. So let's open up this AC adapter, get it plugged in, and see how quickly we can get connected. While I'm getting this booted, one thing I also want to talk about is virtual rounding. So it's one thing that I just got an update on in a call with our Lenovo team last week. So if you think about one of the uses for this is in the hospital environment. So virtual rounding, if you know doctors, every morning I've got a lot of experience with this. If you've watched my story, between 6 and 9 a.m. they go around, they visit all their patients in the hospital. That's called rounding. Well, in these times of COVID, maybe rounding isn't such a great idea for doctors anymore because they can, obviously carry it with them or get infected on the rounding. So what if every patient had one of these devices? Choose a language. Oh yeah, okay, did that. If every patient had one of these, the doctor could visit them very simply using Microsoft Teams and go visit all of their patients that way. So I thought that was a pretty cool idea. Connecting to my home Wi-Fi here. Once this gets connected, it should just ask me for my Lenovo password, username and password. I'll put that in and we'll see how quickly we can get connected. Okay, it says connected. It's trying to pair Bluetooth devices. We're just going to skip that for now. Like I said, by default we could pair it with our Lenovo X1 headphones. Here we're going to sign in to Microsoft Teams. Let's get this loaded. So sign in, put my username in here. Okay, signing into our organization. So I've been able to send a few of these out to my customer. Of course, one of the key items is you have to be a Teams environment. Here's my password. So most of our calls are on Teams now, which is great. So for all of those, I can use this device. There's one more layer of security for Lenovo. I have to put in a password number that changes every 60 seconds. which I have over here on my laptop. So Microsoft Teams only is a requirement. So it does show your schedule for all your meetings, but if it's a Teams meeting, it comes up with a join button and you can join right in that way. So let's give this a minute. What else to talk about? I think the price, I'm guessing it's $250-ish. It should be, I'll put the link in the comments below. The production, it is production ready. It's shipping now. As I said, I did get a pre-production. We call it pre-GA or general availability, which I opened before, but this is the production model. Demand is really high for this, as you can imagine. So if you're interested, I don't know what the website's going to say because a lot of our customers are asking for it. So if it says coming soon, you might see that, or it may be ready now. Okay, it still says we're signing you in. Wait, please. What do we got here? Hey, help meetings, got it, with audio calls, and that's it. I think I'm in. Let's see. So here's my calendar. All my calendar is here for the day. All you do is have to click join. Let's see. I want to join a meeting with my customer today. You join it like this, and I'm in. So that's it. So anytime I want to join a meeting, you just push that button, and you're into the meeting. Everybody else who joins shows up here, and you can scroll. It does the audio by default that way. Or you can do it this way, camera on and ready. So I think that's pretty amazing. I've had a lot of devices in my day, but to get connected into our Lenovo Teams environment, get it set up, and join a meeting here within, 7 or 8 minutes now, pretty awesome. So thanks for taking the time to watch. Super excited to have an unboxing video. Thanks for watching all my other videos on VaynerConverse, and we'll check you guys out later. Bye, everybody.